So here we are in lovely Hemsby on the Norfolk coast. If you leave the beach and go inland, you'll find a series of arcades and fun fairs. And outside a cafe I found a large Hotdog sculpture which caught my attention. Originally I wanted to draw this drawing as a cartoon with a black outline, but I didn't like the result. So I ditched that drawing and redrew using the same initial sketch. So I coloured the Hotdog in using the 6B pencil brush. I set the brush a lot larger than needed to encourage me to keep loose. I actually found this sketch quite difficult. I thought it was going to be easy, but it didn't come together straight away. I found the colours quite difficult to get, so I ended up picking the colours straight from the photo, which is something I always avoid doing, but for this it was the right thing to do. And as soon as I done this, the piece came together. So I actually looked up this statue on the internet, and it has a bit of a cult following. This version of the statue has been spotted all over the world at various cafes, and it seems it's a bit of a thing. I can understand why, and it looks like it belongs in a horror film. So this is my final drawing, and I'm happy with it. If you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe.